Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming you know the current lock credential. This prevents being locked out. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Security and Location or Lock Screen, depending on your Moto model. Tap Screen Lock now, and the phone will prompt you to enter the existing PIN, pattern, or password for verification. After verification, you'll immediately see the list of lock options, so proceed to pick the method you want and prepare to configure it. Once you choose a lock type, follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. Draw a pattern, enter a PIN, or type a password. Use at least 4 digits for PIN and a stronger password if possible. If your Moto supports biometrics, enroll fingerprints or face data now. The system will require a backup PIN or password in case biometric fails. Make sure you complete every confirmation screen and allow any requested permissions. After configuring, lock the phone and test unlocking to confirm the new credential and any biometrics work as expected. Next, open lock screen settings to tune notification visibility, automatic lock delay, and smart lock rules like trusted places or devices. If the change didn't take, make sure no device administrator apps block changes, then clear the settings app cache or restart the phone and try again. If you still can't change the lock, boot to safe mode to isolate third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.